If you want to learn how to enable the Google Assistant visitor announcements in the Nest app, then you're going to want to stay tuned. Hey smart home enthusiast, my name's Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler, here to help you build a smarter home. So let's get started. In order to do this, you're going to have to go into the Nest app, and in the top right hand corner, you're going to click on the gear icon, and then you're going to scroll down and select the doorbell that you want to receive announcements on. So for me, that's the front door. And then about halfway down, I'm going to see visitor announcements. So I'm going to click on that. And then here, I'm going to turn on the visitor announcements by switching this toggle, and now anytime somebody rings my doorbell, my Google Assistant will announce that to me. If you want to watch some more of my Nest videos, then you can check those out here, as well as I have a playlist for some smart home basics. You can check that here below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go ahead and do that here. You can click on the subscribe button, and we hope to see you in future videos. Have a wonderful day.